good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today I'm in South Carolina, House of Hook, Mike Hill March Madness, man. This is an event I come to every year. I've been supporting Mike for a long time, man. Solid. So I'm always gonna come to his events. We're at Carolina Dragway, aka House of Hook. It's about to go down. That's all I can say. It's about to go down, man. It's cool now. It's cool as I don't know what. It's chilling. But you know, we finna walk around, man, get some of the cars. That's why I got here early. So I can go get a little footage for y'all. Y'all can see what's on the premises and all that. We might throw a little racing in here, give y'all some action and all that stuff. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. Y'all see they got these things lined up over here. I know I got to do something on that right here. Got the new school muscle out here going down. Yeah, man, it's about to be a good little day. I see everybody out here. Yes, indeed. Got to go over here and mess with my boy Steve with that race car, y'all. Y'all see he don't drive it no more. What is? Let me see. Race cars over here, man. Come over here with these race cars here. The race car crew right here. What's going on with y'all, man? What up, bro? What up now? What's going on?
I just got done watching this, man.
Hey, what's up? Hey, what we doing today, man?
Oh yeah, we about to, kick some ass today. I got a little CTSV right there.
Right there, that black one. You say you about to do what?
He getting the whole gamble. No, he getting the back tie. He getting the back tie on the pro trip. We'll let this thing eat.
Hey, it's about to go down. It's about to go down today, y'all.
Definitely not.
Y'all see it. Hey, look, you seen Lil Crazy on the live yesterday.
Oh yeah. Hey man, look, when I come out there on the 28, we gonna lock in with that race car.
Oh,
I need the back tie. I need the whip. And let me leave first.
Everything.
I need everything.
All right, cuz, hey, you better get ready, all I can say. We gonna take back in, y'all. What's good, y'all? What's good? We checking back in, man. I see it going down out here. What up? You all right?
Yes, sir.
I heard that.
Waiting on no justice.
I heard that. Oh yeah, we going down, y'all. See? Yes, sir. Y'all see that G-body, man. Hey, about to go down. There's some bad machines right there too. Look, that DJ old truck right there. Showtime transmission. That DJ old Air10. But y'all see, man, it's a lot of stuff over here. Y'all money color, man, things still tailpipes and everything. The whole nine. Y'all see, like I said, support Lawless, J Malcolm, this and that. Can't get on the hood, y'all. Can't see that. Y'all see bad news, man. Tailpipe, this thing quiet, look, full exhaust. Still full exhaust. Bad machine. So, yeah, man, we gonna I might throw y'all a little something here. Look at that. Sound good. That sound good. That sound good. But I might throw y'all a little racing in here on the vlog, whatever. So what up now? I might throw y'all a little something on there, but y'all just stay tuned, man. We'll give y'all a little action on here on the vlog, whatever. But for the most part, go to the main channel, you'll catch everything. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Alright, y'all, we checking in, so y'all see the track. I got one already. They call the House of Hook for no reason. The track already took one out, man. Early. Third, maybe fourth car down. So it about to be working today, man. Y'all see, it about to go down today. And so I'm throw y'all a little something in here. I gotta say, you're gonna have to go on the main channel and see it though. But my boy Mr. Impatient, Ray Camaro, He made a nice lick, y'all. He made a nice lick. Y'all gotta go over there and check it out, man. The boy riding the street car. So let's see, we got the camera out. Now just stay tuned. I got a good one. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. We're in the staging lane. Like I said, it's cold, man. The weather, it was sprinkling stuff, so we're chilling right now. But we out here, what's going on. Y'all see Dusty, man. This my guy right here. Bad truck. Y'all seen it many times in my video. But it was in the staging lane. What's going on, y'all? Got a G-body, Mustang, turbo car, nice car. Yeah, man, it's a clean car, man. All right, y'all. So it's multiple days later, and man, I forgot. I was looking at the footage. I said, man, I can't edit this. I ain't even do an outro, and man, holler at my people. So, you know, just a little track vlog or whatever, give y'all some footage and all that stuff. Since I was at the track at House of Hook, Carolina Dragway, Mike Hill's March Madness, man, it was a good event, man. It was a good time. I got some epic footage. If you've been tuning into the racing channel, then you know that. I got some epic footage, and I always support Mike. I always support Mike, man. He a good dude. That's one promoter I always support. Like, I always go to Mike Hill events. So if it's anytime you want to catch me at an event, Mike Hill, I'm gonna be at his event. Sometime I might miss a few of them throughout the year, cause it might be a scheduling conflict. But his first one, like, which is his March Madness event, you can always catch me at that one. Like, I don't think I missed one in the last 3-4 years. So yeah, shout out to Mike, man. Shout out to Mike. Shout out to Carolina Dragway. They always look out too. Jerry and them, Jerry Hall. Shout out to all them. So it was a good day, man. It was some epic footage, some epic races and stuff. Always good seeing everybody. So I just had to give y'all a little track vlog, cause I try to keep the content rolling with y'all. Y'all see I've been on my daily vlog grind. Gotta been on my daily vlog, getting y'all the entertainment every single day. So I just thought about it, man. I was like, I ain't even give my people an intro, man. I can't leave and not say, see you later. You know, you can't step out the house and not say that. So that's all this is, man. Multiple days later, I'm just now getting to the footage to edit it. So I like come out here and do an outro for y'all. So hey, I appreciate y'all tuning in every day. I catch y'all later. I'm out.